Hello people, in this video I will show you how you can make these working Spiderman homecoming web shooters without using any springs or magnets. Links of STL files is dropped in the description box below. Both the parts 1 and 2 doesn't require any supports, but make sure you use adhesion in the settings before printing. I recommend to use PLA filaments to print the parts. You can use either black or grey color PLA filaments. It took me around 3 hours to get this print, while this part took around 28 minutes. As we didn't opt for any supports, only very basic cleaning is sufficient. To give this part a final touch, I will be using this red and white fabric paint. Follow this very simple procedure to insert elastic band. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Thank you for watching.